The number one way to help your family avoid probate and reduce the costs and time spent settling your estate is to pre-plan and have everything in order. It is more expensive and takes longer when there's no plan, will, or legal documents in place. Attorney fees vary, making it difficult to give an exact estimate. But most probate attorneys bill hourly, and fees can often run anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on how complex the estate is. When you pre-plan, your estate avoids probate and reduces the costs and time spent settling your estate. If you don't plan ahead, you should be prepared for probate, and it could take up to 18 months. Probate law can be complex, and it's even more daunting when you're also trying to cope with the loss of a loved one. Click the link now to get access to the simplest and most effective framework to confidently pre-plan your care plan preferences and how you want your final affairs handled, all without the need of costly legal assistance or feeling overwhelmed and financially drained. Since 2015, I've been able to help senior adults like Joe and Maureen create a comprehensive legacy estate plan without bouncing around from one estate planning expert to the next, feeling like they only got one puzzle piece without the whole picture. Now, Joe and Maureen have peace of mind that their daughters have what they need to avoid the high fees and the time suck of probate. I'm Dr. Judy Butler of The Guardian's Gift, and I'm going to give you the exact framework I use to help hundreds of people create a complete rest-of-life legacy estate plan so their families aren't burdened with unnecessary emotional upset, having to make decisions when they aren't in a good headspace. I've helped hundreds of people discuss end-of-life planning without expensive attorney fees and avoiding family blow-ups. As a pastor and psychotherapist, I specialize in working with aging and the rest-of-life processes. For the past 17 years, I've worked with clients with dementia, terminal illnesses, and many who are simply hesitant to tell their life story or put their wishes down on paper. Some people tell me they don't have a story worth telling, they don't know how to begin, or they don't need a plan because their children know what they want. I know you're probably watching this and thinking, I'm not ready for this, or I already have a will, or I'm too young. I'm not old enough to start thinking about this yet. Look, I get it. I can totally understand being fearful and having doubts, which is why if you click on this ad right now, I will be walking you through the exact framework that I used to help many people give their family this final gift. This is just a short YouTube video ad, so I obviously can't explain everything here. So click on this ad to learn more, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed.